Hi guys, welcome back to I Am Not a Cook. Okay, so I want to apologize first that I haven't been around. I haven't been putting any videos up, but as you can see, I've been busy painting. I also am doing a film, a short movie, and I have other things that are going on. But today we are making beans with potatoes, but I'm adding something to it. Chicken. So I've never seen anybody do it. Don't know what to call it, so if you guys have any ideas, throw it into the comments. With that said, let's get cooking. The following ingredients: a can of chickpeas, 1 can of tomato sauce. You want to go ahead and get yourself some acet, and we're going to put maybe a spoonful of sofrito, a packet of Goya sazon, 1 potato, 1 chicken bouillon, and we're going to be using also minced garlic. And of course the main ingredient, we need a couple of slices of breast chicken. Once it's heated up, go ahead and add the chicken. And we're going to heat that up as well. You're not looking to cook it through, you just want to make sure you heat it on both sides. Now we managed to get some chicken broth out of that, but you can see you're not actually cooking it, but you're pretty much just cooking the outside of it. With that said, just go ahead and add the chickpeas. Mix that up. And there you have it, guys. It looks, smells, and it also tastes really good. So if you can pick up a name for me, I'd appreciate it. Leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys next time on I Am Not a Cook.